thought I wasn't gonna slide on you. Okay, class, first you're gonna wanna crimp the corners, take your paper, fold it halfway, fold it down the middle, and then you're gonna wanna make origami champion, tournament, winning, boot, busting ass boy. Dog, what is it? What is that? And what's the holes in the front of that one? The ventilation system is crazy. Dog, these joints dusty. I wish I would see you on them. I wish I would see you outside. I wish I would. No. No, for the tutama.